Hi everyone! In today's video I'm gonna make chicken crepes. I am Paula Romero and I'm gonna share with you simple ways to cook good food. I don't know where the idea that crepes are hard to make or that they require fancy techniques came from. In fact, I find them very simple to make. Follow me until the end of the video and you will see how simple they are. We're going to start with the batter. I have here some flour. I'm going to add some salt. Have some milk. You can use whole milk or 2%, is fine. I'm gonna add some beaten eggs to the milk. And the milk to the flour. We're gonna whisk this all together until very well combined. Let's put some muscles to work here. And also I'm gonna add some chives. Look how beautiful this batter is. And that's it. We're gonna let this batter rest for 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, we're gonna move on to the filling. The filling is very simple. I'm going to start with drizzle some olive oil to a non-stick skillet, and we're going to saute some leeks. I'm gonna let the leeks saute for a few minutes until they are fragrant, and to this we're gonna add some other interesting things here. We're gonna add mushrooms, shredded chicken, spinach, basil, garlic, salt and pepper, and the cheese we're gonna add it later on. Now wait until you see how this filling is gonna turn out. Very inviting, huh? Gonna add some salt, pepper, and crepes actually can be filled with everything that you like. Can be filled with they can be savory or they can be sweet. Today we're making the savory one with the shredded chicken, and also is an excellent way for you to use up that leftover rotisserie chicken. But if you prefer, you can bake the chicken breast, bone-in, skin-on chicken breast at 375 degrees for about 45 to 60 minutes in the oven, seasoned with salt and pepper only. To this, I'm gonna add some garlic paste. And the shredded chicken. Smelling good! Now we're gonna add some spinach. To this mixture, I'm gonna add just a little bit of bechamel sauce. Check the card for our lasagna video. You will see how simple it is to make. Bechamel is ready. And that's it. You can turn off the heat and add just a little bit of basil. This is gonna be amazing. It's an amazing feeling. You can eat this just by itself. Our filling is done. Next, we're gonna move on to the crepes. So I have here a non-stick skillet, which I'm gonna add some drizzle, just a drizzle of olive oil. You can use butter or vegetable oil if you prefer. And we're gonna add about a quarter of a cup or a ladleful of the batter to the skillet. We're gonna swirl the batter around. Don't worry, don't get scared, because the first crepe never works. I don't know what happened, but they never work. They don't turn out very well. But sometimes it does. So we're gonna the secret is to let the batter set, and then with the spatula, you flip it over, like this. Like I said, it never works. The second one is gonna work much better. So like I said, the first one, for some reason, never works. It burns in some place, in some spot. See, that is too burnt for me. But it's okay. The second one, it works perfectly. So, another drizzle, olive oil. We're gonna swirl the batter around until it covers the bottom of the pan. And we're gonna cook this until set. It takes a few minutes. When the edges start to turn brown, we're gonna flip it. Perfect. Much better, huh? To this, we're gonna sprinkle some Gruyere cheese in 1/4 of the pan, of the crepe. Gonna come with a little bit of the filling. Then we're gonna fold in half. And half again. You can eat them right away, or you can keep them in a platter in the oven to keep them warm. I'm gonna continue with the batter until we finish them up. Let's try to flip one in the air. Oh! Ta-da! The crepes are almost done, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when we post something new. Thank you so much for doing that. Crepes are done. Look how nice they look on the plate. And to finish them up, I'm gonna drizzle some more bechamel sauce on top, just in the middle. For some more texture, some toasted almonds. And that's it. I would love to hear from you when you make this recipe. Come back to our channel, leave us a comment and let us know how your crepe turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.